Start.
So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Are you still have energies or already stressed from the subject last morning? This morning?
Yes.
Okay, so I am your instructor for today. I am Piloray Magyari together with my two teacher.
I am President Lingo.
So, class, as you can see, there are series of pictures on the screen. So, what can you say about the pictures? Anyone? Sir Marlon?
Nabawra oil spill.
Yes, it's correct. It's oil spill. How about the second slide?
Anyone?
Yeah, so equipment or the equipment used to prevent oil spills on board. So this leads to our topic for today, which is oil spill prevention and equipment at sea.
So now there's a learning outcome. At the end of the class, the student will be identified the correct oil spill equipment on board ship, state the function of the different type of oil spill equipment.
So when an oil spill occurs at sea, it tends to spread over the surface of seawater, leaving a deadly impact on marine mammal, bird, shoreline, and most importantly, the ocean and environment. So as seafarers, we know that ocean is our home. So we need also to take care not only for ourselves. So since our job is also to protect the marine life. So oil spill will create destructions if it will happen or occur in our ships. So so during oil spill, there are some equipments so that we can minimize or we can control oil spills on board if this will occur. So different kinds of oil spill equipment on board. Rubber boots. So during oil spill, we use rubber boots, not the ordinary stealth toe or these safety shoes, because we can prevent the slippage. Next is the non-spark shovel. It is used to collect oils and sludge in the vicinity. Next, non-spark scoop, used also to collect sludge and oil in the vicinity. So as you can see, what's the similarity of the two? It is made of plastic. So it is correct. So shovels and others equipment in oil spill is usually use of woods and plastic to prevent any sparks or because if we use metals on board during oil spill, it can cause frictions or metal-to-metal contact that can cause spark. So we all know already that oil is in there. So if there's spark, so we will have another situation. It can be a fire or an explosion. So we use a non-spark equipment. Sawdust. So sawdust is also made of woods. So it is used as an absorbent oil. It is also used to contain the oil from spreading. Next is oil booms. So oil booms is a common part of the soaping equipment. It is used as a barrier so that it will lessen the spread of oil during oil spill. Chemical gloves. So during oil spill, we also use some chemicals. So to protect ourselves from these chemicals, we use chemical gloves. The next one is the chemical itself or the dispersant. So are chemicals that helps remove oil from the sea surface by breaking oil slicks into small droplets. So these chemicals is usually used as a last resort because using these chemicals is also can harm our marine life. So it is also a pollutant. So it will be used if the oil spill is already overboard. So we will wait for the captain to decide itself before we use any chemicals on board. The next is broom. So usually we use these sodas or any solid materials. So we use brooms to contain it later for collections. Next is the diaphragm pump, or we commonly use the brand in the onboard, which is welded pump. So this diaphragm is play a vital role during these oil spills because it transfer clean and contaminated oil. So we can easily transfer the oil spill at large amount of oils at seconds or minutes